In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your account on the Suno AI website, a simple yet essential task for accessing all your tools and resources quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned user or someone just getting started with Suno AI, these steps will guide you through the login process with ease. First, let's open up your Chrome browser. Chrome is a reliable choice for accessing online services, offering stability and compatibility with a variety of websites, including Suno AI. The process is quite similar if you prefer using a different browser, but for today, we'll stick with Chrome for its user-friendly interface. Once your browser is open, go ahead and type in the URL for the Suno AI website. As you arrive on the homepage, the first element you'll want to locate is either the Sign In or Login button. Typically, you can find these buttons at the top right corner of the web page. This is fairly standard for most websites as it quickly grabs the user's attention needed to access personal accounts. When you found the button, give it a click. Doing so will direct you to the login page. Here is where you'll need your registered email and password handy. If you haven't already set up an account, make sure you have registered beforehand as this will streamline your access once you try logging in. Now go ahead and enter your registered email address in the email field provided. It's crucial that you enter the correct email, so double check for accuracy. Moving on to the password field, type in your password carefully. Passwords are case sensitive and often have specific requirements such as including numbers, symbols, or varying cases, so ensure all these details match what's registered with your account. If at any point you find yourself stuck or unable to recall your password, most websites, including Suno AI, offer a forgot password option that can assist you in resetting it securely. Once your email and password are both entered correctly, it's time to click the Submit or Log In button. This step will securely send your information to the server for verification, so a stable internet connection is essential for this action. After a brief moment waiting for email and password validation, you should be promptly redirected to the Suno AI dashboard. Once there, you're all set to start using the features and tools available with your account. If this is your first time accessing the dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout and the options you have at your disposal.